the Grow Toys from Savvi. They did, oh gross, they did grow a little bit, and the water looks disgusting. Instead of sticking my hand in there, again, I'm going to use these tongs. There is the fairy. Her wing didn't grow very good. This one. They don't feel bad when they come out of the water though. They were slimy. This one grew pretty good. This one didn't. It said 600% on the package that they should be growing, and this is the 4th day that we've had them in the water. So I'm not sure if they're completely grown. That one is kind of slimy still. But here is the alien. His head grew a little, and he grew a little bit taller. Ugh, the water just looks disgusting. The heart grew a little crazy. Look at that. These Grow Toys are so weird. Every one of them grow different. But that, I don't know what in the world that is. It's supposed to be a heart. Doesn't look like much of a heart. But that is the results to the Grow Toys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and dream big and dab bigger. We love you.